Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna salad for weight loss. We'll focus on selecting the right tuna and swapping out high-calorie ingredients for healthier options. This approach helps you enjoy a delicious meal while staying on track with your goals. By making smart choices, your tuna salad can be both satisfying and beneficial for your diet. We'll cover everything from choosing your tuna to adding flavorful, low-calorie mix-ins. Let's dive into the details. For a weight loss-friendly tuna salad, start with canned tuna packed in water. Albacore or skipjack are excellent choices, offering about 20 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. Instead of mayonnaise, use plain Greek yogurt for a creamy texture and added protein. Incorporate plenty of fresh, crisp vegetables like finely diced celery, red onion, and colorful bell peppers for crunch and nutrients. These ingredients form a fantastic, low-calorie base. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh and clean. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Check the description below for the link and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Proper preparation is key. Always drain your canned tuna very well to avoid a watery salad. In a bowl, combine your drained tuna with Greek yogurt, then add a tablespoon of Dijon mustard and the juice of half a lemon for a bright, tangy kick. Feel free to experiment with fresh herbs like dill or parsley, chopped pickles, or a dash of your favorite hot sauce to personalize the flavor. Mix everything gently until well combined.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.